officially open. Let's transform these valuable insights into meaningful actions and continue our journey towards a brighter and more sustainable future.
Okay, we're going to have a photo op.
And please do stay as we invite you for a short tour of the exhibit.